Hello student, welcome back to BEHS Sumati Academy. Again we have the science period, and today we have to complete or we have to start chapter 1, that is sources of food. In the previous video and the live class I have explained you the varieties of food as well as the grouping of living organisms on the basis of their food plus the food chain. I have explained all these things, and plants is the source of our food. Okay, so this we have to explain. I have to explain today in the video plants as a source of our food. So I already told you that only plants are the autotrophs, or we can say plants are the only producer which can produce the food. So in a plants, wherever they store the food, in specific part they store the food, that only part we eat. Okay, so in a plants, if we will talk, there are different parts of the plants, or all the parts are not eatable, or some parts are non-eatable, or some parts are eatable, because only that part we can eat which part they have plants have stored their food. Okay, so we have already talked about the roots, stem. Okay, so today we have to talk about the leaves means we will talk about those plants which have stored their food in the leaves, like cabbage, lettuce, spinach, means green leafy vegetables. These are the green leafy vegetables, like methi also. So that means the plants of these leafy vegetables have stored their food in a form of in their leaves, and we directly eat their leaves. And these green leafy vegetables, all we know that they are a great source of minerals. We get so many minerals from these green leafy vegetables. Now if we will talk about the flowers, okay, means now we are talking about the part of the plant in which that specific plant has stored their food, its food. Means if we will talk about the flowers which have stored food, like cauliflower, rose, broccoli, means these are the plants which stored their food in their flowers. Okay, so means if they have stored their food in flowers, then these flowers would be eatable, like cauliflower, rose and broccoli. Now we have to talk about fruits, means we eat so many fruits. That means that a specific plant has stored its food in the fruits, or the part in the fruit part of its plant. So means fruits of many plants are used as a food, like strawberry, mango, dried apricots, raisins, brinjal, tomato, pumpkin. That means now fruits of that plant comes in three categories. We have divided them as a fruits, dry fruits and vegetables. Means vegetables are the fruit part of the what to say, for the plant, but still it comes in the vegetables. Means these specific plants have stored their food in their fruits, so fruits become eatable and we eat their fruits. Now if we will talk about the seed, means there are so many plants which stored their food in their seeds. Means and seeds are a rich sources of food of human beings and animals, like cereals, maize, rice, wheat, all are the we eat its seed. Okay, all we know that. And cereals are rich sources of carbohydrates, and we also eat they are the cereals are rich source of carbohydrate as well as the proteins, like wheat, rice, pulses, maize, millets, and so many seeds are there which we eat. That means these plants have stored their food in their seeds. Now if we will talk about the pulses means dal, gram, whatever in the local language which is chana, green gram, black gram, pigeon pea, etc. They are the protein rich food. Means if we are eating these pulses, that means we are getting protein in a large amount. If we are talking about the oil seed means the seed from which we can get the oil. Okay, or we can say the seed which provide us the oil. Means these are also called as a oil yielding seeds, like mustard. We know that we use mustard oil for cooking, sesame and sunflower, okay, and also the castor is also a medical oil. We can medically, whenever we have used, we also use the castor oil. Then that means these are the oil seeds, or we can say they are the oil yielding seeds. Now if we will talk about the nuts, we all love to eat the nuts. So means seeds of some plants contain nuts which are high energy food. Means whenever we have need anytime high energy, we can eat the nuts like cashew nuts, almonds, ground nuts. Okay, so these are the nuts, or we can say these are also the seeds of the plants which use as a nuts. So for today, for video it is completed. In the next live class I will explain the next chapter, plus this video I am giving you some question answer which you have to write in your science notebook. Okay, so whenever it is needed I will call you to bring your notebook to the school, and I will check with this video you have to also write some question answer. Thank you.